In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your entire TradingView transaction history in 2025. So whether you're an active trader looking to review your trading performance, or you just want to keep a detailed record of your financial activities, we've got you covered. To start, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice. That could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you're comfortable with. Once you've got that open, head over to TradingView.com. This is where we'll be doing all our work today. After you've landed on the TradingView homepage, navigate to the Supercharts section. This is an essential tool providing real-time data analysis and charting features, and is precisely where you'll find the tools we need for our transaction history export. Next, we need to move over to the Trading Panel. The Trading Panel is your gateway to connecting brokerage accounts, engaging in paper trading, and more. It's an invaluable tool for both live trading and simulated environments, and today we'll use it to access our transaction history. Once you're in the Trading Panel, select any available trading panel. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's choose paper trading, as it's a straightforward and popular option. Go ahead and click on Connect to link up the panel. This will bring into view all the options we work with. With that done, look for the paper trading button. Clicking here is your next step. It should be visible and easily accessible on your screen. After clicking it, a range of options unfolds, and you'll want to click on Export Data. This button is your starting point for getting your transaction history out of TradingView and into your own hands. At this point, you'll want to focus on the Positions option. Clicking this allows you to view all open and closed positions, providing insights into your trading decisions. Once you've examined this, move on to the Account History section by clicking on it. The account history is a detailed record of all your activity, showcasing every transaction and providing a full picture of your trading journey. Finally, locate the Export button. Clicking on Export will allow you to download this entire history in your chosen format, typically CSV or Excel, which you can then save on your device for future analysis or record keeping. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully exported your TradingView transaction history. Whether it's for tax purposes, performance analysis, or record keeping, having your historical data is invaluable. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.